Hi, my name is Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electrician for the Tunbridge Wells, Tonbridge, Crowborough and Sevenoaks areas. I had a phone call from one of my customers and she said, I've got the hissing noise in my kitchen behind my microwave. I drove out, had a look, and yes, there was certainly a hissing noise. Look through this little video to identify if you're hearing a hissing noise such as this, or even a crackling noise, you've got a problem. Simple solution, we replace the socket and wire it incorrectly. This one had been affected by water coming down through the wall. Take a look through and see how we can help you. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help to you and will be of further interest. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that notification bell to keep updated with more videos which we release.